how it's clean. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh, up to there. So if you're selling runners or anything. Hey guys, if you're watching this, then you probably watched moving day 1. Welcome to another moving day vlog. This is moving day 2, and all I'm gonna do today is just clean and make sure that this place looks neat and tidy and livable. If this is the kind of content you want to see, consider subscribing, click that like button. Oh, and I'm Hindusa. Welcome to the family.
21 trips around the sun and I
Realize that I'm going to kill myself if I continue to wash huku katikati ya the toilet. Like, it's not haitoki. Let me show you where I was trying to wash you guys. Like that. And that corner, those like, I just feel like that, like, I'm gonna die if I continue to wash them. Oh my gosh. So I think I'm just soaking those because ew. And the last owner left that, and eek, what? Disgusting, gee. I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I'm gonna dispose of that. And what I was saying, so I've just come to the conclusion that I'm gonna go and get me some Jik, the bleach one, like bleach, and if I can get any other kind of bleach, I'm gonna get it, and then I'm gonna scrub these floors with it, because yeah, I'm gonna die if I continue to try and get that bleach over from these tiles. So that is the plan, but not today, after Chrissy, because leo naishia, leo siku naishia. So after Chrissy, that is the plan. So I'm just gonna continue to the next room.
built a universe for one, da. But there's a garden in the backyard.
What I just did, let me funga my songs. What I just did is I scrubbed this, and I realized that kuna groot uchafu ingine kuku bado ni hard kutoa ake watoto Januari ifike. So nimepaka hii Colgate. No one uses this Colgate. I'm gonna throw it away. This is a different toothbrush. I have a lot of these yellow toothbrushes, so si yenye nimetumia huku kwa floor ingine. So I've just pakad this Colgate huku and huku, and I'm gonna leave it for a while and then come back and just scrub it all and see if it may make a difference. But for the meantime, I think I'm just gonna scrub here. Oh, also let me show you. I put this Naisha, oh my god, I need to go shopping. But yeah, I put this here and this cup, and if it happen, and this, which I need to change. I really need to change the setup of this whole thing, because I feel like I'm just gonna put cleanser here. This obviously is gonna be here, but I just need to change the setup of this whole, because what is this? What is happening? So yeah, I have a lot of work. I have a lot of like updates to do to this house. I'm thinking I put this, but in like a pretty jar, probably black. Get a black one for the toothbrushes, and also a black cup, and I'll be set in at kuweka huku kwa bulb. But nimeshindwa, I don't know mbona haingi. I think it needs a different kind of bulb.
Picture you in the morning. Could I have played my cards differently, baby? Could I have shown you how you wanted to treat me?
As the bathroom caucus, I think it's time I start cleaning the kitchen. And what I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna remove this organize here, because this is a mess. Put this shears, put this lace curtain pale inafaa kwa shear, so inafaa kwa nyuma ya hii curtain. Also realize that this curtain is too long for here, so I'm gonna cut it short. I'm gonna take it to the tailors later, not today. And then I need to clean down there and place some products down there. So it's 4. Yeah, it's 4. I haven't eaten. I'm so tired. Man, I'm so tired. I didn't even film everything. So, what the hell? That was weird. So I didn't even like get the chance to like film everything because my phone died charge. I was so tired. I just need to shower, guys. But let me show you what I've done so far. Yeah. So this is the kitchen. This thing is supposed to like, this is where the fridge is supposed to stand. I'm not sure if I even want it here, but tutajua when I go shopping in the evening, if I will go. I'm so tired. And then I put a mat in my kitchen. That is the trash bin, dust bin. And then this is some Nova Nutrition Goli gummies, eggs, is only medication, ini bulb, and then some things there. I have some food stuff there. This is a trash bag. And then here's where I was working on, and I didn't even manage to put the curtain, the lace thing. These things I'm supposed to throw away because sijui zanini, but tank zimejaa maji, place nafaa kutupa trash, that is. This is just like a small rag. This is also a rag which I'm gonna throw away this yellow one. So the spoiled microwave is there. It's supposed to get fixed, but at this point I think I'm just gonna buy another one. So some bags. The kitchen is clean. Look at that. Uy, inafaa kuwa wapi sasa? Hii inafaa kuwa wapi? Acha tuiweke hapa for the time being. So yeah, the kitchen is clean. I'm so proud of myself because it's clean. This is like a small bowl I have. Some soap, dish soap, cleaning stuff, some utensils. Uko juu niliorganize kweli. I think hata nilisha uko juu kwa tu vile mlikuacha. Yeah, that is all I've done. It seems like little, but it's actually a lot of work. See how nice it looks? I love it. It looks clean. It looks nice. Yeah. That is what I have so far. The runner that I put here, si refu sana, because I didn't like go shopping for a long runner. I wanted a runner that runs from like there. That's where that edge is, up to there. So if you're selling runners or anything like that, you can hit me up and tell me if you have something that runs from here up to there. But this is what I have right now, and this is what is gonna work. It's a bit wet, nilikuwa naosha. And let me show you the bathroom. So wow, look at that, look at how clean that is. Okay, let me just fix this toilet paper. Oh Lord. See, dream Bonico on the side, but yeah. So I put some towels. My soap, I can't put it directly on the soap dish because I don't know, in to the creeps. I need it here for clean. Like I feel like it's cleaner when it's here because it's going on my body, you know. Have the toilet, and then I put the mop there. It's clean enough for now. The things for cleaning, and then there's that thing for yenye mop. Shower is clean, everything's clean. I want to take a shower right now. And then I put this mat. And then when you come here, I'm supposed to put this there. So not about doing that, but I'm just going to get someone to do it. Like it's gonna get fixed, just not right now. And this is the bulb that's supposed to go inside this thing. Forgive me. Yeah, I'm going to upgrade this area later. Next year, so many projects next year, honestly. So many projects. Yeah, I love this mirror and I feel like I need another mirror. So yeah, that is all for now. This is all for now, guys. I am beat. I'm thinking I just make some food and eat. So yeah. So I'm just going to go and buy something to eat and see what I can fix really quickly because I am starving.